What is the first course that I should start with? What is the order that I should take your courses in? Or another way of saying it is, I love fashion designing. How do I start? Where do I start, right? So I'm going to answer your question like this. You could divide the industry, the fashion industry, into two areas that coexist. One is the creative aspect of the industry, and another is the business aspect. And the two have to work together. If you're in the creative aspect, meaning if you like to sketch and paint and draw, I would say start with sketching, the sketching classes, and the draping classes, and the pattern making classes, which there are quite a few, as well as the fabric course, which is really quite an intense course. But if you say, well, you know, I'm not really very artistic, I like the business part, you know, I like to buy and sell fashion and social media, then the courses to take would be the business of fashion. That's the title of the course, which is, as the title says, it's about the business side, right? The financial aspect, buying and selling. And then there's also marketing and branding. Branding is an important aspect of the fashion design. So depending on which area you prefer, that's how you decide where to start with. But there's one course which is how to create a fashion collection and launch your own brand, which is really an overall picture of the whole process from beginning to end, meaning from the inception, from your ideas and mood boards and sketching and some pattern making and draping onto production, manufacturing, the business, some of the business of fashion, some branding and marketing, and so on. That will give you an overall picture how the industry runs. It'll give you a good idea, maybe which way to go, which way to start, how to start the process of taking these courses and learning about the fashion designing process. Okay? So, if you have any questions, email me, ninovia@me.com, and I'll see you in class. Welcome to Fashion Premier Academy. I will see you in class.